Are you feeding yourself? Oh, this big grown-up girl? Already? You're feeding yourself already? Aren't you a little young? Oh, look at that. Misako is 15 months old, almost 16 months old. And she's already feeding herself. Look at that. A little bit of yogurt down the front, just a little bit. Misako, do you like yogurt? Do you like yogurt? Giggles. Do you like yogurt? Do you like yogurt? I think you do. Do you really like yogurt? Really do? You sure are eating it up. Look at that, it's almost gone. Hi. I'm going to flip the viewfinder, and as soon as she sees herself, what's that? Baby? That's right, baby. She sees herself in the viewfinder. She loves to see herself. Yes, that's you, baby. Baby. Mama's right. You say baby every time you see a baby. Misako, what goes ruff, ruff, ruff?
Baby.
Baby.
Puppy.
Puppy. Ruff, ruff.
Baby.
Puppy. Oh, so cute. Yeah, why use your spoon when you can use your fingers? Say bye. Bye, YouTube. Bye-bye. Bye. Say bye to YouTube. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.